beautiful old brass key retaining shrouded Yale lock. It's a 5-pinner. Very deep bitting in the front pins. So see how that goes. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension in this paracentric keyway. This thing's quite camera shy. There we go. Just about lost it there. Pretty difficult to find the binding pin there because it is so old and worn. So I gave it one rake, which forced it open, and as I raked out I lost my tension wrench, but I had passed the shear line, and this is a key retaining lock, so it retained its open state. So I'm going to go ahead and lock that back up, show you that it does work with the key, with a little bit of fiddling about. You stick the key in, it doesn't want to work, but just a little coaxing and it gets open. Beautiful old lock. As you can see, the key won't come out. Okay, so there it is, the antique Yale shrouded hinged shackle padlock, picked open. So shoot me a rating if you feel it's worthy. Peace as always. Don't break the law. Don't use this info for illegal purposes. And thank you, Sparrows, for the support. That was picked with a Sparrows double end tension wrench and a Sparrows short hook. Until next time, have fun.